I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a perfect white sauce, step by step. First, gather your ingredients: 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1½ cups of whole milk. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a whisk. This foundational sauce is surprisingly simple to master and elevates countless dishes, from pasta to vegetables. Let's get started with the first crucial step. The secret to a great white sauce begins with a well-made roux. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in your saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and slightly bubbling, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This cooking process removes the raw flour taste and creates a pale, golden paste, which is the base of our sauce. Now it's time to add the milk and transform our roux into a creamy sauce. Slowly pour in 1½ cups of cold milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep stirring over medium heat. As the sauce heats up, it will gradually thicken. Continue to cook until it reaches a gentle simmer and coats the back of a spoon. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Finally, let's season our delicious white sauce. Remove it from the heat and stir in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of nutmeg for a classic flavor. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your perfect white sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. It pairs wonderfully with pasta, vegetables, or as a base for mac and cheese. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.